Best weight loss drinks.
Here are 8 drinks that are some of the best to include in your diet when trying to lose weight and get healthy. 1. Green tea. Green tea is often associated with health, and for good reason. Not only is it packed with beneficial antioxidants and other powerful nutrients, it's also one of the most effective drinks for weight loss. 2. Coffee. Coffee is used by people around the world to boost energy levels and lift mood. This is because coffee contains caffeine, a substance that acts as a stimulant in the body and may benefit weight loss. Coffee can reduce energy intake and boost metabolism, which may help you lose weight.
3. Black tea. Like green tea, black tea contains compounds that may stimulate weight loss. Black tea is a type of tea that has undergone more oxidation, exposure to air, than other types of teas, resulting in a stronger flavor and darker color. Black tea is high in polyphenols, including a group of polyphenolic compounds called flavonoids. Polyphenols are powerful antioxidants that may help reduce body weight. 4. Water. Increasing your water intake is one of the simplest ways to improve overall health. Drinking more water may also benefit your waistline by keeping you full in between meals and increasing the number of calories you burn. Research suggests that having water before meals can set you up for success when trying to cut back on calories and lose weight. 5. Apple cider vinegar drinks. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a compound that may stimulate weight loss by decreasing insulin levels, improving metabolism, suppressing appetite and burning fat. 6. Ginger tea. Ginger is popularly used as a spice to add flavor to dishes and as an herbal remedy to treat a number of conditions such as nausea, colds and arthritis. Human and animal studies have also shown this flavorful root to have a beneficial effect on weight loss. 7. High-protein drinks. Beverages that are high in protein can curb hunger, decrease appetite and promote fullness, which is important when trying to shed excess pounds. 8. Vegetable juice. Although fruit juice has been linked to weight gain, drinking vegetable juice may have the opposite effect. In one study, adults who drank 16 ounces of low-sodium vegetable juice while following a low-calorie diet lost significantly more weight than those who did not.